Here in this video, we are solving a NEET 2025 question from semiconductor devices, particularly full wave rectifier. It was given that a full wave rectifier circuit is as shown in the figure. The input supply voltage is given, then at t equal to 15 milliseconds, what happens? So it's a very simple problem. Let's try to write a equation. V is given as 220 sine 100 pi t. It is compared with the standard equation omega t. So omega, who is 2 pi by time period, is 100 pi. Pi and pi will cancel. So t will become 2 by 100, that is 1 by 50 or 0.02 seconds. That's the total time period. In a problem, we want it after a particular time of 15 milliseconds, that is 15 into 10 power minus 3 seconds or 0.015 seconds. Now I need to find out how much is this t when compared with that capital T, right? So what we can write, small t by capital T is how much? Small t is 0.015, capital T is 0.02. You multiply with 1000 on both the sides, it will become 15 by 20, it will become 3 by 4. So small p is 3 by 4th of capital T. So the time frame that he has given to us in the problem is 1 by 4th of the total time frame. So if you understand what does it mean, a wave goes like this in a AC circuit. From here to here it takes a time t. So to cover the first positive half cycle, half the time period, second half cycle, second half period. 3 by 4th of the time period means the first cycle is already over and here we are in the second cycle, second part of that wave of this AC circuit, that what is given for you. That means the circuit, the secondary circuit has got negative part of the cycle. So when you get negative cycle here, out of this negative cycle here, this is negative, this is P. So when negative is connected to P, it will be in reverse bias. So D1 will be in the reverse bias. That negative, before reaching the D1, will go through this special wire called central tap. The job of the central tap is to reverse the input given for it. That means when a negative cycle is given for it, it just converts that into positive cycle. That's the job of this central tap. So for the diode D2, what is the input that it gets is positive peak of that cycle. Positive peak connected to the P type, make it forward bias. So diode D2 will be in forward bias, diode D1 will be in reverse bias. That's the answer for the problem. Third option is the answer for the problem. So the most important thing of this problem is what's the role of a central tap in a full wave rectifier. Central tap do reverse the phase of the given input to it and feed it to the diode D2. That's how it works. That's it. Basing on that, we can say this is the answer for the problem. That's it. Thank you for watching.